Introducing the Kind design. This is Ultimate. This is Solution. New modular safety switch. A safety switch will turn off the electricity in your home within millisecond of a fault to protect you from a serious electric shock. But the safety switch will only protect you. Robust design and sleek looks. This safety switch is small and more protection than other switch. Protect the equipment from an uneven electrical supply like high voltage and low voltage. It will automatically power off if your appliance draws more than 7 amperes, and this switch protects your electronic appliances from damage caused by voltage fluctuations. Phoenix offering a complete switching solution for your home. Will prove to be the best choice for you if you're willing to opt for stylish electrical units that will serve you for a long period of time.